What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I want to say happy Friday to all of you out there after a hard working week. It's Friday, we're going to go ahead and make chicken wings today with two different types of sauce, and we're going to enjoy our Friday. I want to say happy Friday to all of you out there. Cheers. Let's start cooking. Hey guys, we're going to be making chicken wings with two different sauce. Spicy pineapple sauce and buffalo chicken wing sauce, and also we're gonna make french fries. Alright, so first we're gonna make flour dip for the chicken wings, which we're gonna be deep frying. So I have about 4 cups of flour. We're gonna go ahead and add about 1 teaspoon of salt, lemon pepper, about 2 teaspoons, black pepper, onion powder, 1.5, garlic powder, about 2 teaspoons, oregano, and dry thyme. Okay, now we're gonna dip the wings in the flour. Yeah, I'm gonna make some cilantro and garlic ready for the french fries. I'm going to start making the pineapple spicy sauce, which we're going to be blending first. I have a bowl of pineapple, which we're going to be blending. We're going to add fresh lime juice, white vinegar, about 2 teaspoons, cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, paprika, and about 3 cloves of garlic, with a bit of salt and pepper. And also 1 cup of white wine. It's good, it's spicy, perfect. The fries is ready. Tastes very delicious. I want to put this aside for now until we deep fry the wings and make the sauces ready. On a low heat, we're gonna simmer the sauce with honey for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of honey. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add the pineapple sauce. On this side of the stove, we're gonna make the chicken buffalo sauce on a low heat. First, we're gonna add the butter and let this melt. Yeah, I'm gonna add about 2 cups of Frank's hot sauce. About 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. About 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. About 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And a little bit of salt. And we're gonna let this simmer for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, our chicken buffalo sauce is ready. Go ahead and turn this off, set it aside. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add the pineapple spicy sauce to the chicken wings. On this side, we're gonna add the chicken buffalo sauce. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications button. Don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And we're gonna go on with our night. Our chicken wings are ready. This is the buffalo sauce one. It tastes really good, not too spicy. It's really super delicious. I'm gonna try the one with pineapple sauce and see how this one tastes. Wow. Sweet, spicy, beautiful texture. Tastes so good. Give it a try. You won't be disappointed. And I want to say thank you guys again for watching. I enjoy when you guys write me the comments. I'm going to try to write you guys back as much as possible. Thank you guys again. Enjoy your Friday night. Cheers.